the tier 3 words, well, first, the academic language can be used in any class, okay? You can use them in social studies, you can use them in math, you can use them in science. Some might be specific, but some might not. They are hard words, yes, but they are specific to the subject, okay? So usually if you see tier 3 words, it means that that word is only for that subject. So a lot of times you have them in science or math. Yeah. They have no other definition in any other subject. They only apply to math or science, okay? These words that we're going to be using today, some of them are academic language or tier 2. They have more than one meaning, but many of them only have one meaning and only apply to social studies or to international relations. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to pass out your words, and what are you going to do with them?
Check the meaning.
Yeah, if you don't know them, write what they are on the back. And work with your group, because there's quite a few of them.
A few words which are a little similar, but maybe different. Let's see if we can find out the difference between them. What about pandemic and epidemic? Let's see if we can find out the difference between them.
Pandemic means that it is something that is happened in a nation. It didn't go out. It didn't go out of a nation. Check again, okay. Check it. 谢谢翻译。哦。If it is something that is something is a very big, like the Black Death. It's happened all around the world. Something yes, happened all around the world. This is and for the epidemic. I believe it is about something. Yeah, it is. So this I see this one is a noun and this one is an adjective.
Well, could a pandemic be an epidemic? Could it?
Yes, it's like it's a higher level one. Like it contains the pandemic because epidemic can be a pandemic as long as it is like is widely spreaded and.
Which one is the check? Make sure I want you guys to check. Which one is the most widespread? If something, okay, so which one? If there's an outbreak today, or what does outbreak mean? Is that one of your words? Okay, Michael, what does outbreak mean?
So that means maybe in a group or in a country, most of the person get the sick, maybe get a virus. So that means outbreak.
Okay.
Together. Today, short term.
Very
Suddenly.
short term, suddenly.
Okay, so so zoonotic means that a virus that begins with an animal. And if we hear about an animal passing a virus and suddenly someone gets sick from what kind of animal? Birds.
Hawk.
Okay, a bird.
From eating bird.
Okay, so maybe somebody gets sick today.
Yeah.
You hear about it on the news.
Pig, the cow.
Maybe from we'll just say a bird today on the news. So they'll say on the news, there was a outbreak today in Russia. There was an outbreak today in Russia of this, what kind of virus? Zoonotic virus. Zoonotic virus. So now you guys have some of the words. And then how can we find a cure for this virus? What can you do to not get the virus? What are some of the words that mean a cure? You have them right in front of you.
Don't eat some lawlessness and
Lawlessness, that means without what?
Without law.
Without law. So what are some of the, you guys, I'm going to come and check back with you in a minute. Natalie has 2 words. Okay, what does that mean?
That means you get the.
Okay.
Like a cure, the cure.
All right, so look up some of the words, find out, there's a few words on how it spreads and a few words on how you can prevent it from spreading. What does that mean?
to get some medical treatment.
Okay.
Prevent to
Vacuum,
get
right?
better.
All right, good. And we're going to be reading some articles in a minute that have all of these words in them. So So share the words you've already defined with each other. Make sure we get a